guys, today we're at Longwood Gardens. I'm going to be taking you on a tour today. So here we have a lounge bench. Look at these pine trees. Aren't they lovely? Look at this gazebo. Isn't it unusual? Nice. Pretty nice. Show you some more pine trees. Take a look at these potted plants. Another species of pine. Aren't they beautiful? And this is what looks like a fountain. I understand that it is used in the summertime, so we are not going to be able to see anything happening here for today. Take a look at the main conservatory. Isn't it beautiful? Wow. I wonder if they do weddings here. I would have my wedding right there. Lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely. So the plants get some light from these that we're walking on the plants that are underneath. Look at this plant. Beautiful. Take a look at the chime tower. It just chimed a little while ago. Look at inside here. Oh, see what I was talking to you about? That's the place I just was walking on. That filters the light to the plants. See? I'm telling you, man at creative best. Look at here. For those of you who are in stonework, look at the artistic work. The person who did this, built this tunnel, did a fantastic job. Look here. Look at here. Beautiful. Wonderful. There's an exit sign here. The stonework is lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely. I love it. Lovely, lovely, lovely. And here's another fountain. Look at this. Water running on both sides. Another unusual plant. It's unusual to me, but might be not to the Americans. Look at this. Look like a flowering lettuce and some form of pine. I just entered a glass house. And these are the plants that are within it. Look, look, look. Look, 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 look here. What we got here. Look at this. Look at these. Wow, a lime tree. Look at that. Daisies. I don't know what these are. The scientific name, falls yucca. Flame pea. Clivia. There's water here. Look at these plants. They are so beautiful. What is this? What do we have here? Australian rosemary. Look at what they called Australian rosemary. Such a pity I can't pick it to smell it. Lipper spurge. And this one is called strawberry tree. Several plants are in the spot. Wide leaf, sea lavender, ivy geranium. This is baby Barrow's tail sedum. And around here we have herb, Veronica Lake. And we have Mangave, Escape from Mars. See what Escape from Mars look like? This is an exit. Fire extinguisher. This is called a cigar flower. I was looking for the name, but I couldn't find it at the time. But now I'm seeing the name. Willow wattle. That's the name of this plant. And I'm not seeing the name of this one just yet. Maybe the name is there, but it's overgrown. Another species of pine over there. Mediterranean spurge. This place here I'm in is called the West Conservatory. Look at these lovely plants. I'm not seeing the name of this one either. Look at this. Oh my, this is Australian rosemary. Look at it. It's big. Look at this. Look at it. It's like some form of a running plant. It's nice. We already spoke of the willow wattle already. bay laurel. See there? This is another type of plant. It's called gray thick berry. Look at it. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. And there's something like a pond that they created. And this is called what? Rough maidenhair fern. Wow. I've seen this in Jamaica, but I haven't seen it in a long while. This would look like watercress. New Zealand flax. Another pond. This looks like the Australian rosemary again. Pink mola mola. Wow. And I've seen these in Jamaica. Butterfly agave. That's the name of it. Wow. It has also the scientific name and I guess the local name here in Philly. Botanical backdrop. Okay, so the name here is called copper spoon. It actually has a resemblance of a spoon. Look at these. Wow. Okay. Spur flower. Name here. We have the Australian rosemary here again. I'm not sure of the name of this one, but I've seen it before. And also this one. Okay. Hybrid lavender. Fingered citron. Look at this. Looks like a finger. Look like something from space. Candelilla. Lilila. Wow. So we can read more about the fancy fruit. It says these fingered citron trees are trained using traditional espeler techniques, as are the kumquats across the garden. This ancient practice began in Rome and Egypt. Explored trees can be grown flat against a wall or terrestrial, maximizing food production in minimum space. Beautiful. I'm telling you, nature is such a beautiful thing to look at and to see. I've seen the name of this one. It is Grey Thickberry. I think we have looked at that already. And over there is Superstition Mallow. Right? Willow Wattle. Dexter leaf. Okay. Have some more here. Licorice plant. Look like the Australian rosemary again. Mediterranean spurge. I think we have seen this one already. Don't remember the name of this one. Superstition mallow. Willow wattle. I guess this is when it is grown. Leather leaf sedge. And this is called Ephemerophylla. This plant in this big pot here. And this, we have seen this already in Jamaica. Don't remember the name of this one. This one. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Looks like, okay, so the name here, aloe. Okay, these are aloes over here. Yes, there, this is aloe in their younger state. I don't know if it's a species of it, because in Jamaica we have bigger ones. Finger aloe. Not sure of the name of this one here. I'm so sorry that there's an overcast of my shadow. Kirk's Coporosima. Wow. Great artillery plant. This is called finger aloe. Wow. Oh, this one already. No, this one already. Calacocha. Cocho. Another one. Yes. This is for people who love nature, this video here. Willow wattle, a feathery cascade. These evergreen trees from Australia grow in the willow trees with weeping feather-like branches. Here, rows of willow wattle created an ethereal and intimate alley or promenade. This presence echoes the acacia passage of Pierre S. Dunpon personal affection for this whimsical plant. Seasonal changes. Willow wattle blooms with yellow ball-shaped flowers in fall and early winter. Looks for long grain seed pods in the spring. The pod turns brown in summer, splitting open to reveal shiny black-brown seeds. Alright, now you've seen these already. We're going back to the other side. Look here. Gray-leaved Europus. What's this here? Elephant bush. This is a bigger aloe. And this one here is called anodium. Okay. This pot also has, this other big pot also has some different plants again. So it's string of beard, ornamental oregano. That's here. Ornamental oregano. And this is Sempodium. Alright. This is olive scented geranium. Okay, this is called ghost aloe. Wow, I wonder which ghost could come into this and scare me. None at all. Not one. This one here. Oh, I know this. Mediterranean spurge. Century plant. This plant probably has lived for a century. Peppermint geranium. And then you have ripple jade plant. And then you have, so this is ripple jade plant. This one here. And then you have the apple geranium. Why, these plants are nice. Very nice. I wish I could take some home with me. And that's the African daisy over there. This is another aloe plant. And Spanish lavender. Sickle leaves. Flame pea. I think we saw this one earlier. This is another aloe plant. And this is all woolly gervalia. And then we have the hybrid aloe, tree aloe. Why, look at that aloe plant. It's so beautiful. Look at them. My. Wow. Wild thyme. Look at what wild thyme looks like. Yasteria. Rosemary. And we have silver thyme. Thrift. Jaded plant. Olive. Ornamental algae. African lily. Okay, I've completed my tour of the West Conservatory, so I will give you another video on the other conservatory. Bye for now.